In this episode, we'll be installing a brand new headlight into the housings. Stick around. Alright, first you want to remove all the protective plastic on it. And toss that aside. You will grab your new headlight housing and you'll go ahead and put the connectors in the appropriate spots. Click it, put the lock in, and same with this. And then you'll have this little ball right here. It goes in right in here. I'll pull this wire up out of the way. Make sure it's in as well. And it'll just pop right in. Then you'll be ready to screw it in. And then you grab your screws and you'll get them started. On both sides, you'll have to move the headlight a little bit so you can reach the bottom hole. Get that all screwed in. You don't want to over tighten them, it'll crack the plastic on the headlights. And tighten that. And on the back side of the headlight, you have this little clip. You have to reach in and pop it down, or it's pull up. I can't remember. It's pull up or pull down. You'll make sure you want to get that too. And after you got your headlights installed, we will go ahead and toss in the grill.